A very good morning, ladies and gentlemen. A very warm welcome to this esteemed morning where we have gathered for Northern Regional Ministers Conference, a platform for dialogue and progress in civil aviation. Please give a huge round of applause for Shri Pushkar Singh Dhami ji, Honorable Chief Minister of Uttarakhand. Shri Ram Mohan Naidu Kinjarapu, Honorable Minister of Civil Aviation, Government of India. Let us welcome Shri Vipul Goyal ji, Honorable Minister for Revenue and Disaster Management, Government of Haryana. Shri Gautam Kumar Dak, Honorable Minister of State, Department of Cooperation and Civil Aviation, Government of Rajasthan. May I now take the privilege of inviting our esteemed guests to kindly come forward to light the lamp.
A very warm welcome to each one of you to the Northern Region Ministers Conference on Civil Aviation.
Thank you so much, Shri Chubao, for the very warm welcoming remarks, and that was very energetic start. We now move forward to the keynote address, ladies and gentlemen, and that is from the Union Government. I invite on the dais Shri Ram Mohan Naidu Kinjarapu, Honorable Union Minister of Civil Aviation, to do the honors. Please give him a huge round of applause.
With great honor and pride, I welcome each one of you to the Northern Region Ministers Conference, which is the first of its kind in the civil aviation sector. It is unimaginable to add one airport in 40 days, and it has happened only in our country, India.
Thank you so much, Shri Kinjarapu ji, for setting the tone for the rest of the day. And I would like to say that apart from being an exceptional leader, you are also a remarkable orator. Ladies and gentlemen, as we are just joined by Shri Suresh Kumar Khanna ji, who is the Honorable Minister of Finance and Parliamentary Affairs, Government Uttar Pradesh. Please welcome him with a huge round of applause. And now we would like to invite our Honorable Chief Guest on the dais to share his thoughts. Let us welcome Shri Pushkar Singh Dhami ji, Honorable Chief Minister of Uttarakhand, to say a few words.
आज भारत जो विश्व की तीसरी सबसे बड़ी विमानन अर्थव्यवस्था बन गया है, उसका कारण आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री के द्वारा शुरू की गई उड़ान योजना है।
हम आपका एक बार फिर से धन्यवाद करना चाहेंगे कि आज अपने देवभूमि पे हमें ये शुभ अवसर प्रदान किया कि हम इस सिविल एविएशन कॉन्फ्रेंस को एग्जीक्यूट कर सके। मूविंग फॉरवर्ड, मे आई नाउ रिक्वेस्ट Shri Ram Mohan Naidu Kinjarapu ji to kindly come forward and present the memento to our Honorable Chief Minister of Uttarakhand, Shri Pushkar Singh Dhami ji, as a token of sincere appreciation and recognition of their esteemed presence and valuable contribution to this conference. Shri Vipul Goyal ji, Honorable Minister for Revenue and Disaster Management, Urban Local Bodies and Civil Aviation, Government of Haryana. Shri Gautam Kumar Dak, Honorable Minister of State, Department of Cooperation and Civil Aviation, Government of Rajasthan. Shri Suresh Kumar Khanna ji, Honorable Minister of Finance and Parliamentary Affairs, Government of Uttar Pradesh. And now, ladies and gentlemen, our Honorable Chief Minister of Uttarakhand will present a memento as a token of utmost regard and respect to all our dignitaries on the stage. आदर स्वरूप भेंट के साथ सम्मानित करेंगे हमारे माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी, जो कि उत्तराखंड के सम्मान का प्रतीक हैं। Felicitating Shri Ram Mohan Naidu Kinjarapu ji. Now felicitating Shri Gautam Kumar Dak ji. देवियों और सज्जनों, इसी के साथ साथ मैं आभार व्यक्त करती हूँ आदरणीय मुख्यमंत्री जी का और आप सभी का कि इस उद्घाटन स्तर की शोभा बढ़ाई आप सभी ने और इस आयोजन का महत्वपूर्ण हिस्सा बने। आपके विचारपूर्ण सुझावों और समर्थन ने इस मंच को समृद्ध किया है। मुझे विश्वास है कि इस संवाद ने भविष्य को ठोस प्रयासों की ओर अधिक स्पष्टता मिलेगी। मैं चाहूँगी एक बारी ज़ोरदार तालियों के साथ फिर से हम सभी का अभिनंदन करें और धन्यवाद करें. Coming together is the beginning, keeping together is progress, and working together as a team is success. So since morning we have been working to make this conference very, very successful, and finally we have reached to its conclusion. And on this very moment, I would like to announce that, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to commence a significant and much awaited segment of the Northern Region Ministers Conference on Civil Aviation and its vital role in regional connectivity, economic growth and disaster response. I now invite Shri Sameer Kumar Sinha, IAS, Secretary, Ministry of Civil Aviation, Government of India, to deliver the opening remarks for our plenary session.
It's been a privilege to be here and in this serene and inspiring setting of Dehradun. Let today be more than an exchange of ideas. Let it mark the beginning of enduring partnerships, our partnership. Thank you and Jai Hind.
Moving further, ladies and gentlemen, I now invite Shri Raghubir Singh Baliji, Honorable Chairman, Himachal Pradesh Tourism, Government of Himachal Pradesh, to deliver his very special address.
So first of all, a great event, a great day for everyone, and I think a big day because everyone getting together on a platform which has been created for prosperity. हर दूसरे घर में एक फौजी, तो contribution, that is why it's called as Veer Land, Veer Bhumi. Thank you, Naidu ji, once again, and thank you, sir, and thank you all of you. Thank you.
Well, thank you so much, Shri Baliji. That was quite intriguing and a very engaging address as it came straight from the heart. I now invite Shri Gautam Kumar Dak ji, who is the Honorable Minister of State, Department of Cooperation, Government of Rajasthan, to deliver his special address.
कि हवाई चप्पल पहनने वाला भी हवाई सफ़र करे, उस भावना को पूरी करने की दिशा में हम आगे जा रहे हैं. हम भी आपसे आग्रह करेंगे, पधारो हमारे देश राजस्थान. इतना ही निवेदन करते हुए आपने मेरी बात को बहुत ध्यानपूर्वक सुना. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.
Thank you so much, Shri Dak ji, for the thoughtful remarks and also for sharing Rajasthan's cooperative approach to enhancing aviation and connectivity. We now have the privilege of hearing from Shri Vipul Goyal ji.
ये मैं पूरे मोका के ऑफिसर्स का और राममोहन नायडू जी का, उनकी कार्यशैली का बहुत बहुत मैं उन्हें मुबारकबाद देता हूं और धन्यवाद करता हूं. जय हिंद.
Thank you so much, Shri Goyal ji, for highlighting the progressive initiatives of Haryana in this vital sector. Next, we warmly welcome Shri Suresh Kumar Khanna ji, Honorable Minister for Finance and Parliamentary Affairs, Government of Uttar Pradesh.
मैं आदरणीय मंत्री जी का विशेष रूप से धन्यवाद करता हूं.
Now we have a formal commendation on cards. We are so excited to announce that we have an organization named Nalwa Aero Private Limited, developing eVTOL, an electric aircraft in India. It has become the first organization to receive the first of its kind design organization approval from the DGCA for 5 seats and above category. So I would like to invite Mr. Kuljit Sandhu, the CEO of Nalwa Aero, to receive the approval certificate from the Honorable Civil Aviation Minister, Mr. Ram Mohan Naidu Kenjarapuchi, and Honorable Directorate General of Civil Aviation, Mr. Faiz Ahmed Kidwai ji, and Secretary Civil Aviation, Mr. Sameer Kumar Sinha ji. Hearty congratulations to Nalwa Aero Private Limited. And a token full of love, immense regard and respect from Nalwa Aero Private Limited to the dignitaries. And now it is our great honor to welcome our chief guest, Shri Ram Mohan Naidu Kenjarapuchi, Honorable Union Minister of Civil Aviation, Government of India, to the dais to say a few words. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for this.
So I would once again want to thank you for all participation that has been extended from each and every one of you. और हम दिल्ली में बैठे हैं, हम बोल रहे हैं कि हवाई चप्पल से हवाई जहाज का सफ़र, और अगर इसको हम सच करना है तो पहले हम हवाई चप्पल वाले के पास जाए और सुने कि वो सोच क्या रहा है। एक भारत श्रेष्ठ भारत। India is at a position today where we can get the impossible also done today. And we have proved it in many different examples. And with the collective efforts that are being shown from all of you today, we are going to achieve much more in the future also. And if I had money, then I would have only signed and I would have given it to you. But there are procedures which are there, and I'll do my best. So all the teamwork that has been done from our side, I would like to appreciate and thank all of them who has put in great efforts. Thank you once again. A great conference. I'll see you in the next one. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Wow, that was a powerful address, and also thank you for outlining the national vision for a connected, modern and inclusive aviation landscape. And with this, ladies and gentlemen, we would like to express our sincere gratitude to all our esteemed speakers and dignitaries for their presence, vision and valuable contributions that have enriched the discussions and laid a strong foundation for collaborative action. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you once again. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. With this, we are signing off.